Hey, this is Diego Maldonado, and today I'm going to be telling y'all what I learned from chapters 1 and 2 of our book. So, for what I learned from chapter 1 is an introduction to psychology and critical thinking. First of all, psychology is a scientific study of the human behavior and mind. It is to be able to better understand the thoughts behind human actions and the thought process. Earlier in the week, when we posted our introductions, I posted that this class is going to be very interesting because I'll have a better understanding of why humans make their own decisions and actions. Secondly, is critical thinking. Critical thinking is a way for us to think more scientifically. For example, when you're watching the news and they're interviewing someone, there's always an audience in the background asking questions such as who what's going to happen, who's going to benefit for this, is there any conclusion, and so many other more questions. And for me what I experienced about critical thinking actually came from last semester when I took English Comp 1. In the class, the teacher really wanted us to have a deeper thoughts about our readings and writings. And what I learned from that is to have different perspectives while writing my essays for the class or reading any stories that we would take a quiz over. And for chapter 2, I learned about the neuroplasticity and why we sleep. First, neuroplasticity is the way the human brain adapts to learnings or new experience. Some of my personal examples are my sport and instrument I played back in middle school and my faith. For my instrument and sports, they are both completely different learning experiences. But the more I practiced, the more I went to class, it became more built in to my body, and almost became muscle memory for me to do these activities. Now, for my faith, well, first I just want to address that I'm a Catholic, which is very similar to Christianity with a with some differences. The way I would describe it is we believe in Jesus Christ and we try to model our lives from his teachings. A way I do this in my personal life is caring for my friends and family through Jesus Christ's teachings. And lastly, I want to talk about why do we sleep. Sleep is a vital part of survival, and all humans need it. It is beneficial for our health, mood, energy, and even memory. For me, as a athlete here at Latorno University, I really need sleep for my brain and my body to fully recover to get ready for the next day for practices and games. And like most of us, we're all college students. We probably stay up really late studying for those exams or writing these last minute essays. And the next day you don't want to listen to and you don't want to listen but the following day you don't want to listen to your body because of how sleep deprived you are of getting a few hours of sleep. For adults, we should try to aim from 7 to 9 hours of sleep to be fully recovered. However, for different ages, such as newborns, they tend to sleep for 2/3 of the day to get full rest. Well, that was my first interactive assignment for psychology, and I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao.